Alright, what's going on, guys? So I'm at my cousin Alex's house and they just got a new car. It's a 2016 Honda Civic and apparently it's turbocharged, which I didn't believe until I heard it. Alex, rev it a bit. Damn, that's crazy. I had to take it out for a test drive. But yeah, this is actually the real Accord Empire where it all began. They got another 2016 Honda Accord, 2008 Honda Accord, another 2008 Honda Accord, and then I believe like a 2013 Honda Accord. And then of course I have the we have 2003, 2004, and a 2013. So everybody here has Accords, but for some reason they decided to get a Honda Civic this time, which I guess we'll find out if it's cool or not. So take it out for a test drive right now. Damn. It's so fancy in here though. Like, watch that. I'm gonna open the door real quick. Where does it say the boost on here?
Oh, it says open door now.
Oh, fuck. It. All right, hold on. Roll down the window a bit.
There it goes, turbo.
I don't know how well you can see on the GoPro. Damn. Don't turn it sideways. Wait, hold on. Yeah, do that. There you go. Yeah. Apparently it says boost on there, so we'll find out if it actually works or not when we take it out for a test drive, huh, Alex? You got your license though, right?
Yep.
You got insurance?
Yep.
This is the interior of it, guys. It's actually pretty cool, super high tech, because I don't recognize anything in here like I had to use. But it's a push to start, so of course you can push it. And then if you don't press in the gas or the brake, I mean, it won't turn on. But you can see there. Damn. And then of course you got the automatic parking brake. Econ, so you save a bit of fuel, which we won't do. And then of course it has a backup camera and the side camera and all that other fancy stuff. Oh, it's got a sunroof as well. What? This is what the interior looks like. Damn. It's a 4-door Honda Civic, by the way, which if you guys know me, I don't really like Honda Civics, but this one's actually looking pretty cool. You good? Shit. Alright.
We're not gonna close it, right?
No, don't close it. We'll be back in like 5 minutes.
Okay, this is risking 2 ways.
Why? Just go away. Just
new car, no plate.
Oh yeah, no plates.
Plaques.
Oh shit, no plates.
How do I put this more low? It's like all the way up.
We gotta find a good spot though where we can do a few pulls. You're good. You're good. Oh shit! It actually does pull. It does.
It's fucking weird.
Oh shit. Oh, someone there?
Yeah.
Alright, nothing's happening here. Just driving home after a long day at work.
Turbo, bro? That shit's fucking weird up. How about I put it now?
What does that do?
It's more of a pull. You can't even control it, bro. Yeah, they did like a haul's ass.
2 hands on the wheel.
Huh?
2 hands on the wheel.
It says that?
Yeah. Well, no. Keep two hands on the wheel. What do you mean? Oh, hey, it has a side camera too, huh?
Does it?
Yeah. See?
What the hell?
Side camera.
Imagine.
It's done to the police. Whoop whoop. It's the son of the.
Uh-oh.
What?
Who is that? Someone. Okay, it's my girlfriend. Never mind. Because she's vibrating so much. That was pretty cool. Did you see that? Do you see that?
No.
It like pulls me and like I let go and it keeps going.
Hey, what happened to the sign?
Huh?
The sign.
What sign?
Oh,
I don't know.
the sun swept is falling off.
We were never driving.
Sleeper. Super quiet.
Like it's making more quiet. Eco. Literally, like nothing no more.
It's a hybrid. It's a Prius now. It's basically a Prius now at this point. You can't even hear it. Like good old times. Oh wait, there's someone right there. Hold on, there's someone right there. Who's that guy?
He's looking.
He was like, who's making that noise?
Oh shit. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh, he's gonna remember the Honda Accord.
I know, right? Does the lady live over here?
Yeah.
In this house over here? Can you guys calm down? Was that what she said?
Yeah. Uh-oh, imagine.
Oh.
That guy's driving more crazy than
I know. You're worrying, and that guy was like booking up the hill. Hey. Hey. Shit, there's a car coming. Hey, you guys remember this? The 8th gen? Damn. Alright, where are you at? Shh. Nothing to see here. Shit. Damn. And we got this whip right here. How much finger space do we have? 0. My finger doesn't even fit. Alright, I'm gonna put the other car in real quick. Come a long way. Look at that. It's the first Honda Accord in this family. What was it? A 2006 coupe?
Boy!
What the fuck?
You like the car?
Huh? Damn, Cindy.
Them boobs.
He does it.
Camera shy or what? No. Where you going?
You get cake in the wake with her here?
Oh. Yeah. And then, unfortunately, he got in an accident and the car went bye-bye.
There's another picture right there.
Oh, there's another one?
Felt legs.
Oh, yeah. Right there's another one. And then, little by little, these Accords started popping up. You guys remember this? I don't think we ever did a video on this car, huh?
This one?
This one.
No.
They had another 2000, what was Luna?
Luna, yeah.
No, what year was it?
2012.
2012 Honda Accord Coupe. And then his mom ended up trading it for this one, 2015. Or wait, 2015, right? Oh, here's my water. I was looking for low for it. 2015 Honda Accord. Damn, Accord gang, gang, gang.
I want you to sue you.
Oh, is that the video you made?
Uh-huh.
Oh, dude, I'll link it in the video, or I'll link it down below.
There it is. Bye-bye.
So
Rest
sad.
in peace.
Oh, you saw the spoiler for it, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. If anybody wants it, hit me up.
Oh yeah, if anybody needs a spoiler for the Accord Coupe, we don't have any use for it, or he doesn't have any use for it. Would you pay like $100, 100 and something for it?
150. Willing to sell it for 70.
That's. I mean, it's what color is it? Silver.
Mm-hmm.
You can probably like vinyl wrap it like carbon fiber. Oh, it's a little chip in the side. Damn.
65.
It is used, so just wrap it in carbon fiber. It's all
A good
dusty.
wax.
Yeah. Damn.
Alright guys, so now you saw my cars, now time to see my room. Come in. Alexa, stop. You see this is my room. Nothing special, just normal, 2 TVs.
Yeah, just just 2 TVs.
Pretty normal. And it's just like clothes I need to fold. Nothing much.
And then
yeah.
the abandoned PS4 down there that you don't use anymore.
Oh yeah. If anyone wants it, we'll have a giveaway. Subscribe to his channel.
Alright, tell Alexa to play. Hey, Alexa, what's on my to-do list today?
I don't have to-do list.
Oh, you don't? Did you take it off?
I took it off.
Oh, there was a funny clip where she
Wait,
said,
let me see. Alexa, what's on my to-do list? No, see, I don't have one.
I'll include it. I think it's all the Snapchat of it, but it's like,
Alexa, what's on my to-do list?
You have one to do. Suck my dick.
damn.
And inspired by Subaru. Look at that. Last
Alright, it's
time
got a little
TJ.
Subaru calendar up here. Hey, give us a seizure, Alex.
Seizure? You want a seizure?
Yeah, I want a seizure.
Alright. Alright, how do we do this? Okay. Slow. You guys never saw this. Yeah, Jimmy, as you see, Jimmy kind of broke control.
Hey, Jimmy's fat ass jumped on it.
Either it works or it doesn't. How do you do it?
Oh,
Whoa.
what's going on?
Is it
No, what did I push earlier? Put flash.
I don't know.
Put flash. Down there, flash. Not doing anything.
There you go.
Ah, dude, holy shit. It's gonna get someone
there
epilepsy.
You go.
Yep, just living life.
Now that you saw my front, let's go to the back.
Oh, we're going to the back now? Close the door.
Is it dangerous if the wire's wet? Yeah.
You just might shock yourself. I don't know.
Okay. So, as you can see, my backyard has some too.
Oh, shit. LEDs everywhere.
Pretty bright. And if you want to have a party, you know. You can turn bright. Oh no, this.
Wait, is this the same control?
Nah, it's different.
I was gonna say just switch the controls because the other one's broken.
Okay, wait. Okay, it's for brighter. Okay. See, look, I like to change colors. You know, party, slow motion, other party, to you know all the lights. We're chilling out here. And you see this
You got the view.
That's Newport over there. As you can see Newport's ocean coast. That's PCH. Nothing special. And then yeah, I live here with just myself and my brother, and that's it. This is our house.
It's someone's birthday. I heard someone sing happy birthday. That's pretty much it. If you guys want to see any more videos, just let us know in the comments down below.
Oh,
See if-
you didn't see it.
Oh, this? Just empty bottles?
Yeah,
You want to tell us something, X? You know,
I'm
kind of,
21 in Mexico.
you mean you're a legal age in Mexico?
Yeah.
I don't know about the United States. But that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you guys want to see any more videos, just let us know, and we'll catch you in the next one.